Hi, in this video, we will show you how to set up Yahoo Mail to use your new mailbox.my email address for sending emails. This way your emails will have your personalized sender address. To begin, please click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then click on More Settings. Select the Mailboxes item. In the Send Only Email Address section, click on Add. Now please enter your mailbox.my email address. We entered John_Yahoo@mailbox.my here, yours will be different. Then click on Next. The alias has been added, but we need to prove that we own this email address. Click Verify to set up and Yahoo will send a verification email to the new address. That mail will be forwarded to your Yahoo inbox, so check there. Click on the link in the mail. A new page opens. Click the Verify button here. Your email is verified and you are now able to send emails using your new address. That's how it should work, but somewhere there's a bug in Yahoo Mail. Let's check the settings. Again, click on the gear icon. Choose More Settings. And then Mailboxes. As you can see, your email is still shown as not verified. Here's the fix. Click on Resend Email. And then reload the page. Now your email is successfully verified. You can now add your name to the account. The final step is to make your new address the default sender address. Select Writing Email. In the default sending address section, choose your new email address. Now you can compose a message and your new email will be the sender. We hope you enjoy using mailbox.my.